In this guide, I'm going to show you how to turn green text messages back to blue on iPhone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But to turn those green messages back to blue, what you need to go ahead and do is remember what those colors mean in the first place. Green messages are regular SMS text. Blue messages are iMessages, which obviously only work between Apple devices like an iPhone to an iPhone, an iPad, or a Mac. So go ahead and actually back out of the Messages app, open up your Settings app, and you need to scroll down out here until you see Apps down at the very bottom. So select Apps down at the very bottom, and then from here you need to find Messages. So either scroll down or just search for it and open up your message settings. First, turn iMessage off. So go ahead and just take that off real quick, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Then find the send and receive section as well, and just make sure your phone number is selected. You can also select your Apple ID email as another way to send and receive messages. But then go down to this text messaging section right here, and then make sure in this text messaging section that you do have send as text message turned on. That's going to allow all those messages to be green. If you want it blue, make sure it's turned off. Then you could just go to your Messages app and try sending that message again, and you'll be good to go. If the other person has an iPhone, both phones are connected to the internet, the message should send as blue. If it still stays green, the issue may be on their phone, or they may not be using iMessage. But that's the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.